sa Kabanwahanan Tribes Competition. Handa na silang hawanan ang dalan para sa kasadyahan from the municipality of New Lucena Himanban Festival. Our Himanban Festival is headed by their mayor, Honorable Attorney Carl Vincent G. Mondejar, CPA. Tourism Officer, Catherine Torreno Puello. Tribe Manager, Honorable Attorney Carl Vincent G. Mondejar. Their choreographers, Louis Bass and Scott J. Diasi.
Ilong-ilong ang panwa ko, hinahinaghan. Matamis na
Pagsasubong makita natin ang mga supporters from the municipality of New Lucena for the Himanban Festival.
Kaway! Halin pa na sila, ladies and gentlemen, sa sports ko, sa Freedom Grandstand kag sa Gaisano Capital. Subong magatapos ang ilang journey diri sa Iloilo Sports Complex. Pero energy ara man gyapon. Kaway!
So for the information of everybody, ang aton municipality of New Lucena naghalin or makita natin siya sa segundo distrito sa aton probinsya. Ang ilang nga istorya parte sa ilang nga culture and history. Nga kung tiin ang New Lucena, ang uynaya nga ngalan is Himanban. Nga kung diin, isa pa lang siya nga baryo nga parte sa municipality of Cabanatuan, and later on, it became part of the municipality of Santa Barbara. Their festival name is actually derived from the word Nagapang Himanban, which means clearing the place of banban grass in preparation for planting of rice. So it is not reported when Himanban was changed to New Lucena, but Lucena reportedly comes from dialect Lu or Ulo, which means head, and Sena, which is the short version of the flower Azucena, which means pure and peaceful. Thus, Lucena means pure and peaceful leader. Known for its resilience and community spirit, New Lucena is a blend of history, heritage, and heartland beauty.
Kanang isang term na heartland beauty, Ma'am Joy, no? And I believe New Lucena is also considered as one of the peaceful municipalities sa probinsya sa Iloilo.
Yes, that's right. And for those na first time gig nga makalantaw sang atong kasadyahan sa Kabanwahanan, New Lucena used to showcase the cry of Hirikon, which actually narrates kung ano ang ilang history, isang naging baryo sila sa aton munisipalidad sang Cabanatuan.